This is the Dayton Audio Ultimax 8-inch subwoofer. Okay, so this Dayton Audio subwoofer retails for about $140. It is built nice and ruggedly. It has a double stacked magnet, I believe. It has two 2-ohm voice coils, and this is what the inside of it looks like. Can't really tell. The leads that go to the voice coil are woven into the spider on both sides. There's extra ventilation right here underneath the spiders. But either way, you can run this in 4 ohms or 0.5 or half an ohm configuration, or 2 ohms, depending on what your amp is rated at. Mine is rated at like 250 watts RMS at 2 ohms. But the one in my car is rated at like 600 or 700 watts RMS at 2 ohms. I'm going to take this off and we're going to get back to it. Okay, so now that we have this protective sheath off, we now can see the dual stacked ferrite magnets. 1 inch and just 1/16 over 3/4. But this protects the ferrite magnets from getting damaged. Okay, this is the bass test I'm using. It sounds like some Tokyo Drift stuff. It pretty much sounds like Tokyo Drift. But it is copyright free, so let's play it and I'm going to move to the back. Here we go, let's put it back in this mode. We're going to see how the mirrors get affected. It's pretty decent for an 8-inch. I would listen to it. That's pretty decent for an 8-inch. I'm not gonna lie. And there's this one. Okay, so my overall review of this thing for 140 bucks. Golden, amazing, you should buy it if that's what you're looking for. For small spaces, it works pretty well. And also for this big, huge space, it works pretty well too. This is a 2004 Chevy Suburban. And it fills it. It's enough to satisfy me. I'm not sure about you, like, I can hear it. I could sort of feel it in my chest with this box. But right now, it's doing pretty good.